I'm going to show you some super burgers. For the pound and a half of ground sirloin, 85% is what I bought for this recipe. I'm going to give a nice fat splash of Worcestershire. Now, there's a woman, also named Rachel, that lives near me in upstate New York. She is a neighbor, and she sent me some of her spices, and they are awesome. And she's right up the road. And when I read the label, I'm like, oh my God, that's what I would put in it anyway. So this one is just loaded salt and pepper. It's garlic, onion, salt, pepper, and white pepper. And that's what I would put in the burger anyway. So I'm gonna use hers, but she has another one called Camp salt and pepper that's like the loaded pepper, but it also has celery seed. And I really dug it, because then it's like that thing you love about a really good Bloody Mary, and you're like, what the heck is that? And we're using pickled relish in the special sauce. So I thought, I'm going to have a little celery seed, because I don't have the loaded salt. I mean, the camp salt here in the city. So I'm just going to add a little sprinkle of that, too. So when we mix burgers, you don't want to over-mix them, because you don't want them to be too tight, okay? So you get it just together, and then you put the meat back kind of in one mound and score the meat. Why do we do that? So that you know you're getting equal portions with each patty. I just add a little bit of any olive oil, canola oil, any non-aerosol cooking spray. Very lightly coat the bottom of a cast iron skillet heated over medium-high heat. For patties that are about 6 ounces each, no more than 7 to 8 minutes, or you're gonna kill them. All right, I'm gonna get these guys turning. For the special sauce, for every 4 patties, because I like to serve a little extra on the side, I use about a half a cup base of sour cream. Then we're gonna add about a 1/4 cup each of tomato ketchup. Now you can start with 2 tablespoons of sriracha if you want kind of a mild to medium heat. I put in equal amounts of the sriracha, the ketchup, and the relish. So you put in your favorite pickle relish, a little salt and pepper, give it a stir. I put a funnel over this, and I pour all the dressing in it, put a little piece of plastic over it. You could keep it in the fridge and use it on sandwiches all week long. I know. See how side two's doing? Oh, they're looking good. We're down to the last minute or two. So for our last minute or two, we throw on 2 slices of cheese, and I have a sharp cheddar here on each patty, and let that melt. Here's our super burgers. Now, it is very important that you remember that a hamburger is a type of a sandwich, and every bite of a sandwich should be identical from one corner to the other. I have 5 pickles on the bottom of the roll, so every single bite gets the same amount of pickle. That is my rule. There's no, like, one pickle in the middle of the bun, and it's like, who's gonna find the pickle? No, every bite should have pickle. Then we take the spiced burger with the garlic, the onion, the salt, the pepper, the white pepper, and the Worcestershire sauce, and the celery seed. And the 2 slices of the sharp cheddar cheese, pile that onto the pickles, onto the bottom of the sauce, soft sesame seed bun. That's a tongue twister, right? And then we're gonna top it with lettuce, tomato, and onion, so you don't have to make a salad. If you don't like onion, you should get over it, because it's delicious. Then we're gonna top the burgers with everybody's favorite, the special sauce. That's the glue that sticks the lid. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a good glue. And then we take a couple of super size, because they're so tall, our super burgers. Super long toothpicks. Cut into that sucker. Oh,